Hi guys, today I'm gonna show my everyday travel gear bag for shoots and video, and this is my Besnfoto travel gear bag. And let's start from the outside. So hanging from the outside, I have my ZV-E10. It's attached using the Peak Design attachment, and this is my vlogging camera, the ZV-E10 Mark 1, the old version. I'll put a cage in there with a cage to protect it. It's outside, and then the attachment is the Peak Design attachment. And then I have my old GoPro 8 with a clip. It's very useful sometimes when doing POV. And then I have here is my mini tripod. Mini tripod by Ulanzi. I like this tripod because it's bendable. And then other than that, this one has a multi-attachment. So you can attach the camera and attaching the camera. And also with this tripod is you can also attach your, I have here also my iPhone, so you can also attach your iPhone. So it's nice because it's bendable, so you can put it on a tree, especially that you're doing your vlogging by yourself, so you have to be very creative with your tripod. So sometimes you just attach it on a branch or stand it on a table, so it would work. It would work perfectly. And then going to the inside the bag. So this is again the Besnfoto everyday carry bag. So this is, and then in the inside, start with the pocket. So I have my SD card attached to so when I upload photos, when I don't have my laptop with me, I just attach it to my phone. And then I have my extra batteries here in the cover compartment. And then also I have my spare SD card. And that's it in the top compartment. And then next I have the main compartment. First I have this the Sony remote control that also act as a tripod for the ZV-E10. So this is very convenient when you're doing shots by yourself, and then you're having headshots. You just place it on the table, and it's convenient. It's like that, and then you can shoot. And also when you have in a long distance shot, you can place the camera far away, and then you can use this as a remote control to access the clicker, to act as a clicker, and then you just click it and then shoot. And then also we have I have the DJI Pocket 3. I have the the creator combo. So creator combo comes with the extra battery and also a mic. So comes with the creator combo comes with the battery and extra mic. It's very convenient also, and it's very sleek and it's very discreet. The upgrade I put in this one is, since I'm doing vlogging, I put the K&F ND filter. I have two ND filter, and then comes with the ND filter. And then, by the way, the case comes with the microphone in the wide lens, and I also have the darker ND filter. By the way, these K&F ND filters are variable ND filters, so it's very convenient. So when the light changes, you just turn them. They are a bit closer, so you just turn them here, the knob. Then I have also the magnet, the magnet case. So this one's very convenient when you go shoot somewhere, and then good thing with this one is it's a magnet, so you can attach it on a metal pole or in the car. So it's very helpful, and especially you're doing shooting out by yourself. Then I also have the lenses, and by the way, the lens I have here on the ZV-E10 is the Tamron 17 to 70, and it's also I added the K&F ND filter. It's the 2 to 400 ND filter. And then also have my wide lens, the Yongnuo 11mm f1.8, and also with the ND filter. I always use the K&F ND filter, so I have it pre-attached. And next is the lens. I have my wide lens. I have the Sony 55 to 210. Is with OSS. This is a very cheap zoom lens, but it's very compatible with my ZV-E10, and it also comes with a ND filter, variable ND filter by K&F. I like ND filters that are variable because it's very convenient. You don't have to change it every time. I have and that's it. I have the lens caps. I took them off since I have the ND filters ready. And by the way, there's still a front pocket, very convenient for some stuff, some credit cards you can put in here. And I have also my USB-C cord for charging my phone when I'm charging charging the DJI Pocket. So that's all, guys. So we have 3 cameras, 2 lens, and I have the DJI Pocket Creator Combo inside. Oops. Creator Combo. I have 2 lens. I put this back inside. And then the batteries. So that's all I need for my everyday carry shoot. And if you have questions, guys, just feel free to put the comments below, and I will be putting all the items on the description below. And just let me know what you think about my setup. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a good one. Peace.